Factory reset, the Motorola G Stylus 5G. Let's make sure we're talking about the same phone. Has this cool camera setup in the back. Definitely has a stylus. And this is how we do it. With the device powered off, we're going to hold volume down and power, hold volume down first, power. And after a few seconds, we're going to see a menu right there. With only volume, scroll down until you see recovery mode and then push OK with power. Now we're going to wait here just a moment, and we're going to wait for the no command fallen Android. It just takes a few more seconds, maybe 5 more seconds. There we go. At the no command fallen Android, now we're going to hold down power, quick touch volume up, hold down power, quick touch volume up. Now we're at the Android recovery menu, and now we can scroll to what we want, which is wipe data factory reset. And let's read this warning. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. You just got to remember that if you've set up this phone with your Google and your Gmail account, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device security or similar security, 100% you cannot bypass your Google login. All right, let's press OK. Let's move on. And wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Scroll down once with volume, press OK with power. And we'll wait anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two to make sure that we get the data wipe is complete message here at the bottom. There we go. Now to save to reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe Moto G Stylus 5G. Hey, if you're still going to use your G Stylus 5G and you want it to run faster, watch this video next.